Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable speeding alerts on the Waze app. So you will get notified every time you go over the speed limit. So let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Now tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. Go to settings. Now scroll down and tap on speedometer under the driving preferences section. First, make sure show speedometer is turned on. This will display your current speed on the screen. Next, toggle on the option that says alert when speeding. This will make Waze beep or flash when you go over the speed limit. You can also customize how Waze alerts you at any speed over limit or a customer buffer like 5 or 10 km per hour. Pick what works best for your driving style, and that's it. Now your Waze app will warn you every time you're speeding, helping you stay safe and avoid tickets. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other Waze tips you want to learn. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.